Oh, even better.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the roads till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got it.
For certificate this program, you will make up two laps each direction. This way and the other way.
So in order to certificate to pass this class, I need to do 2 laps both directions. Anti-clockwise, I have no problem. I think I can do as many laps as they ask. Clockwise, I have a problem, so I do need to work on that. Yeah, for some reason, anti-clockwise, even in a game, feels like much more natural to me. Whereas drifting towards this side and I'm closer, I don't know if it does make sense, but it is like harder for me to drift this direction clockwise. So I'll need to work on that and you will see my process. Let's see if I can do a full lap clockwise. It was close. I have better feeling of what's happening, so should be fine. A few more turnings and I'll be fine. All right, hopefully you guys can see everything. All right, full lap, attempt number 2. Noise. All right, I did the full lap, so it's fine. All right, so after 2 tries a full lap, I have a better understanding of what's happening. So 1 lap, attempt number 3. Noise. It feels weird because you don't have clutch, and I feel like with the clutch you can exactly, you can control where you want to lose traction back. Once you get the feeling of the drifting in a circle, I don't think it's hard. I'm still not sure what I'm doing with my hands, so this video is also for me to see what I'm doing with my hands. I don't know, maybe I'm moving it like I'm feeding the wheel. And also I made this hat, bunch of zip ties, and it's working. It's the first time I was recording it was like this.
You don't need to depending on the steer. You only control the gas. Thank you.
This car sounds nice. Alright, so what's happening? It's a free practice time. So you're just practicing 2 circles. Oh,
Okay, guys.
2 people.
Reach.
So it's practice, and I think this is theoretically a test. If you do 2 circles of drifting, you pass both directions. So let's see what I've got. Hopefully you can see everything.
Come on, Ilya. It's up to you. Direction is it's up to you. 한 번씩 그렇게 한 번씩.
Yeah, alright, so when you get the feeling, you can do it as long as you want. I don't really do a lot of steering when it catches that point. It's all the gas pedal.
Okay guys, switch. 들어오세요, 김광민 고객님. Thank you everyone.
So let's do it the other way.
김광민 고객님 처음 들어오시면 조금 천천히 자리를 잡고 그러고 시작하시면 좋을 것 같아요.
Okay, wait. Okay, now I got it.
Okay guys, switch.
Sweet! Alright, I did. Oh, my leg, dude. Oh, my muscle is just dying. There's tire squirrels. Oh, it's like 2 to 3,000 RPMs and it's tire spinning on a dry asphalt on the second gear. This is good. Okay, the temperature was 120 when I was drifting. So let the car chill a little bit. And this is fun. This is so much fun. I wish I could do it on a dry asphalt. Let's ask the car in front to rev up. Nice. This sounds sweet. The cars are, you can feel they're like, the fans are just working so hard and it smells like tires in here. I forgot to turn on the camera. Now you're on. It's my third, fourth lap. Let's see. Fifth lap.
Okay, switch.
Okay. The transition was there, it was pretty shitty. So I did 5 laps and transitioned to this lap, and after the transition I just fucked up. Now I want to do transition again, but I want to do it properly. Can I try the 8 figure? Okay.
Here comes M52.
Okay. Alright, no 8 for me. I think I can do it, but not sure. The second drift costs 700,000, and I don't know if I do want to go there for
Okay, switch.
that amount of money. Okay, we'll see.
Clockwise was perfect. Counterclockwise to be continued. Okay, guys, everybody stop and activate DSC. DSC 켤게요 and follow my car and my group.
Alright, that's it, I think, for today. It was fun. Not the last hour, because once you get the hang of it, it's not like that fun anymore. But generally speaking, it was good. So it was a little expensive, but it was good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
They love me. I understand they hustle. Please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city.